What's up, guys? We are back. We got power steering pump and tank up there. Shout out to my older brother Andrew. Troy got a couple lines. I think I got a spare in the motor toter. But we also got full containment seat. That
baby stuff.
Oh. All right, baby stuff.
Jeff, what you doing?
I'm spray painting a bumper.
Can't even keep a straight face. God.
Oh my god.
I tell you what, if we could do just one thing sweet, that'd be awesome.
This is sweet, dude. Dude, you know what's more sweet?
What's that?
Chrome in a can.
Chrome in a... Oh, God! So anyways, guys, as you can see, we got the front end all tore off again. Come to find out, our pulley here was actually hitting a little bit, so we put another spacer in there.
The chirping, just a fuzz. It's just making a little bit of noise.
Yeah, a little bit of noise. So now we're going to get all that taken care of, and it does seem like we do have a leak here. But other than that, we have a power steering pump. Oh, shout out to my brother on that one. Got the tank there, so we can actually get going and get all the power steering stuff on here. And wow, Jeff.
Yeah, dude, Jeff's doing work, son. Look at that. Dude, look at the best looking car, I swear to God. Look at this.
I swear to...
Is that a dry spot?
Yeah, zoom in on that.
Okay.
Jeff.
See that?
Yeah. Back! Oh, God dang it.
Minor.
What?
Is this show and tell right now?
It is now. I forgot to say it, so somebody has to.
We're a low budget operation. All right.
Go on.
This is the containment seat out of my car.
Yep.
And we decided to put in this.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
That's actually all bolted in now.
Yeah, that's ready to go.
The old one is out.
Yeah, boom, safety.
Safety. Containment seat, up-to-date belt.
However, it takes a hot second to get into the car now.
Yeah, it's a little bit tighter now. Here's a... All right, dude, coat 2.
Coat 2. Heavy coat.
Say what?
Heavy coat.
Jesus, you're gonna get blue on everything.
Blue by you, son.
Yeah, but doesn't mean you paint the garage blue.
I'm not painting.
I thought blue was your color.
Blue is my color. Check it out.
Yeah, so I'll paint everything blue.
Blue decking.
Viva La Band.
Blue.
Oh my God, I forgot about that.
What?
Viva La Band.
Viva La Band when friggin' band painted the whole house blue.
I'm about to do that.
You better not. Taylor be pissed.
You got a good start on it in there. With the blue.
It does look pretty good, actually. Hey, easy on the pit cart, dude. This thing's a unit.
I'm sorry.
He said he's sorry.
Come on.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Typical Canadian hard ass.
Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, fellas, any chance you can come over to the house later and play some sorry?
Sure, how about 9 o'clock?
Come on. You're going to mess up the purple chassis. Thing looks mint and stuff.
It's messed up as soon as they painted it purple, bud.
Low key.
Oh. You guys are crazy.
You're crazy.
I'm barely crazy.
I like purple, but I like grapes and
Grapes?
Yeah, I go for
grapes is fine. Purple grapes.
Okay.
I like
Yep. Long walks on the beach.
no. I don't like that.
All right.
Heard it from the man himself.
Yeah. Not bad. Well, bumper should be done now after she dries at least. Boom. What? Power steering pump just about on. For the most part. Fan painted on, chrome in the can. Looks sweet. Floor painted. Bumper done. So yeah, we're still just picking away at this whole thing. Yeah, something like that. Screen's out, radiator's out. Working on getting everything all buttoned up here, which obviously without the radiator makes it a little bit better. But this one is leaking a little bit. Yeah, got some slight issues going on there. Come to find out, but Troy thinks we have a slight wobble on the bottom down here. Is that correct?
It looked like it, but
It looked like
apart to see if something's
All right.
loose or something.
But yeah, power steering pumps on. I mean, we got one line just
Yeah, it's kind of just sitting there.
kind of hooked up. Got to figure out exactly where we want to put the tank as well. Make sure that's all out of the way. But not bad, dude.
In there.
Hit it.
Does it look like it moves?
Hang on. Hit it. Hit it again. So you get it all figured out then?
Kind of, sort of.
Kind of, sort of.
Kind of cleaned it, put it back together, see what happened. I don't know. Most of the balancers starting to go bad. I have no idea.
Well, let's really hope that is not the case.
I don't know. It looks like it's been on there a hot minute. It's definitely not new and pristine.
Yeah. This motor's been in a couple cars. That's for sure.
Yeah, she's
Now she's in the modified.
mod. It was a Dustin's mod. 2 other streeters. Right? And then this one now.
Yeah. Yeah, she's been in a good amount of cars. That's for sure.
It only has maybe a season and a half on it.
Jesus.
She broke in.
Yeah, not bad. So now we're just gonna have to start putting this thing back together. Figure out our radiator issue.
Freaking old lined up on this thing. Come on.
Alright, if Troy can get this.
Hey, look at that.
Look it. What? Oh. What?
I don't even know, dude.
We're getting somewhere.
Slowly.
Don't mess this up, dude.
I'm nervous. You know when I said, like, hey, belts, pulleys are not my forte? They are not. I can do about anything. This is... I hate it.
You don't like it. I know, we were fighting with the top one for a hot minute.
I know.
Just to get spacers lined back up and put back on.
Freaking dumb.
Done. Yeah. Well, it don't look too bad now. Should line up pretty decent.
She'll perform. Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Well, SOB, dude. We are running into some issues here. We don't have a belt yet, that's right, or a tank mount so we can truly get that thing mounted. So, and let's not forget, we do still slightly have a wobble on everything.
This has got, I guess that's the way it is. I don't freaking know.
Everything is new, so
if I pull in and because the belts are missing.
Yeah, listen.
Damn.
Okay.
If I lose power steering, we'll know why.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do about it right now. I mean, new water pump, new pulley set.
Fresh coat of paint.
Fresh coat of paint. Oh, I really don't know.
That's the nature of the beast. I mean, God, the fuel pump's freaking new.
Yeah. Bolt-ons look good.
Yeah, the freaking motor's kind of gross looking. I'll be honest.
Silicone. But yeah, we're gonna have to hopefully do some looking around here. Maybe we can. Maybe I got a bracket hiding around here, and maybe a couple other belts we can try. So, I don't know. Maybe the toter. Maybe. But yeah, we're gonna do some looking. We'll be back. God dang it, so close. Thought we're on to something with that one. So far, still no luck on the bracket. Might have to get one of those from work. I'm almost starting to think. And a belt. I think we're gonna have to get one of those this week, which kind of sucks. Kind of a setback.
Minor setback.
Yeah, but we were kind of hoping to finish.
Car's almost done. Really.
Yeah, she's
Pretty close.
She's about ready. Same with that thing.
Yeah, that just needs a motor.
Yeah.
Honestly.
But the
This we're buttoning
truck's
up.
there.
Yeah.
Truly.
Swap the springs in the back. Check the front.
Yeah,
over.
do a little updating, but
We gotta swap springs on this probably.
shoot.
Power steering hooked up.
Radiator.
See what gears in the back. We'll go from there.
Yeah, and I mean, other than that, truthfully,
Got the new seat put in.
Yeah.
Rear seat put in.
the fleet's coming together. I mean, with opening night only, what,
A little over a month.
Little-
over a
yeah.
month, maybe a month away. Yeah, a little over a month.
before we start hitting the track, I mean, it's a good feeling. We're getting there. Well, guys, for the most part, we got this thing kind of all bolted in. I do apologize about the video kind of jumping around a lot. Still working on getting a little bit better at this, but we got a list of parts here. Got a couple here so we can finish up our power steering and whatnot, but we still got to get a radiator and a belt and stuff since we weren't able to find one here. But we got some pretty sweet things happening. Good things to come, that's for sure. We got, just a little bit of everything going on here. So what's awesome is we're going to be able to put GoPro mounts on the cars and stuff now, and actually hopefully be able to get some good video. So yeah, I mean, for the most part, we're pretty excited with the new GoPro things. We're going to be able to get a lot cooler video, be able to, what I would say, get a lot cooler angles. So if anybody has any suggestions on some cool video angles they'd like to see or something, I mean, I'm down for suggestions. So leave a comment below. And don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button. And we will see you on the next one. Hammer down.
Hammer down.
Hammer down.
Hammer down.
Hammer down.
Are you in?
Yeah.
All right.
See the cherry bud.
I told you.
got
My
it in
love
mind?
my love handles are already numb.
Okay.
done. I'm done playing. I'm done playing.
There went that nice meat pile. It went.
All right, that's on me, boys. That's on me. My bad.
We should have picked it up.